Man, I might just chill tonight.
Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey baby. Puppy monkey.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. At 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports of liquid living matters have been received from all over New York. Some describe these liquid creatures as pudding or white goo. The origin of these creatures are
yet to be determined.
We do not know what they want since they don't show any signs of intelligence. It is recommended for all citizens to stay away from these creatures. Normal programming will resume until further notice.
I love refrigerator.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the White House and civil authorities. Our citizens and police force have reported the living liquid creatures attacking humans, covering up their bodies, limbs such as tails, ears and other limbs. The infected does not talk, but they do show a little sign of intelligence, although they are extremely hostile against humans.
They will rush to their prey, part of themselves,
or make them one of the infected. As far as we know, these creatures are immune to any gunpowder, and the liquid substance is identified as latex. Follow these instructions.
They will only reduce your chance of survival.
The latex creatures get all pets or relatives